Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can move students from one program to a different program. Let's say I have a program called Summer Camp Session 1 which is already running, and then I have a upcoming session 2 which starts in, let's say, some other day, and I want to move students from session 1 to session 2. In that case, I'll go to room movement. I'll click on program level movement. I'll click on configure level program level movement. I will choose the current program, and then whether I want to move the students from session 1 to some other program, or I want them to end this program. Let's say I want to move them to a different program. I'll select this option. I'll then select the next program that they should be moved to, and then I can choose the rule here. If when a child reaches a certain age, do I want to move them, or do I want to move them on a specific date? Let's say I want to move them on a specific date. I'll choose that. Then I can choose the day in which the student should be moved to a different program, then click on submit. Once I have done this, I have set up a program level movement here. Now, if I go to this all schedule movement here, I can see list of all the students who will be moved from session 1 to session 2 based on the program level movement that I had said earlier. Now, let's say in this case, Caroline, whose current program is session 1, she'll be moved to session 2. Once this date comes up, I can click on confirm. Start date is already there. If I want to mention an end date, I can do that. I can choose the days of the week. If I want to end the current program, which means Caroline will end session 1 and will move to session 2 only. If I don't choose this, she will be there in both the programs. And I can also update the class list here. Let's say if session 1 was linked to room 1 and session 2 is linked to room 2. So based on this option here, if I click on update class list, Caroline's classroom will be changed automatically from room 1 to room 2. And if I submit this and if I click on yes, that's it. Caroline has been moved to a new program. If I click on program here, if I filter it and I will click on session 2, I can see there is one upcoming admission here. If I go to assign students, I can see the upcoming status and the classroom has also changed. So what I would suggest is you need not confirm the movement on a day, on any of the prior date. You need to confirm these things on this day when the student is actually supposed to move to a different program. And if you have enabled the update class list, the class list will be changed even before the program date. So these are certain things which you will have to keep in mind before you confirm these things. Also, one other thing here, if you see here, that this says type automatic. Automatic is based on the program level movement. Now let's say Chandler is supposed to move on 12th, but I want Chandler to move to the other program on some other day. Let's say I want to move him to session 2 but on 30th, and I click on submit. It has been changed to manual because I have manually changed the movement date here. Now once on the 30th of April, I can click on confirm and then verify the movement. Only then Chandler will be moved to the next program. And one more thing to be noted here, these things, whatever movement you see here, you need to confirm. Only then the child will be moved to the other program. Automatic doesn't mean that on that specific day the child will be automatically moved to the other program, because you need to select if they should end the current program. Also, if you want to update the class list, because of this reason you need to confirm it manually. Only then the child will be moved to the next program. Thank you.